Hi guys, we received this Dolaimi house pendant lights for event purposes, and they have a really nice finish. I'm gonna take everything out of the box so you can look at them. See, it's glass, it's beautiful. And here comes the inside part. This goes like this, and it has this brushed nickel finish, which is really nice. It will look amazing, and it comes with, obviously, with everything you need to install them, all the accessories, everything. Okay, for the electricity. So let's go and install them. I'm gonna install that in here. It also comes with all the tubes to install them. So let's go. Okay, so as you can see, they have already assembled. They look really nice. So let's turn on the light. And they have a very bright light, and they look amazing. It has a nice design, the brushed nickel, which I like a lot. They are really nice. I like how it has two parts, the glass, and it's really nice. It comes a modern design, which I like a lot, and I will recommend them. See you guys.